In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host your website on Ionos in just 5 minutes. First things first, if you're looking to bring your idea or business online, choosing the right hosting service is a crucial step. And today we're walking through how to do just that with Ionos. Let's dive in. Start by navigating to the official Ionos website. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on the gateway to a variety of services they offer, from domain registration to web hosting and more. For our purpose today, focus on the domain and hosting services. If you haven't already signed up for an Ionos account, now is the time. Click on the sign in option available on their website. Signing in is straightforward, simply enter your account credentials. If you're new around here, don't worry. Signing up for a new account is just as simple and takes only a couple of minutes. Now here's a piece of advice that might save you some time down the line. Before you can host a website, you'll need a domain name. Think of a domain name as your digital address that people will use to find your website online. Ionos offers a wide range of domain names to choose from. Find one that suits your business or idea, add it to your basket, and proceed to buy it. Having your domain registered is your first real step into the online world. Next, you'll want to look out for the website option on the Ionos site. Clicking on this will take you closer to the goal, hosting your own site. But how do you actually put together a website? Here's where the fun begins. Ionos provides a user-friendly website builder. This tool is a gem, especially if coding from scratch isn't your cup of tea. Select the website builder option to get started. Choosing the right package is important, and Ionos offers various options based on your needs. Whether you're setting up a simple portfolio, a bustling online store, or a blog, there's a package tailored for your project. Take a moment to review each option and select the one that fits your vision. After purchasing your package, you're all set to start crafting your website. Now, if the thought of designing a website from a blank canvas sends shivers down your spine, worry not. Ionos comes to the rescue with a selection of website templates. These templates are designed with various themes and industries in mind, making it easier for you to find one that aligns with your brand. You can choose a template and customize it until it's just right. Finally, the moment of truth. Publishing your website. This is where your site goes from being a private project to a live site on the internet. Go ahead and click that publish button. Congratulations, you've just taken a significant step in your online journey. But before we conclude, here are a few tips to enhance your experience. Spend some time exploring the Ionos dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the tools and settings available to you. This knowledge will come in handy later on. Keep your website content fresh. Regular updates not only engage visitors, but also improve your site's standings in search engine results. Don't forget to optimize your website for mobile devices. With the increasing number of mobile users, having a mobile-friendly site is no longer optional. And there you have it, folks. Hosting your website on Ionos, broken down into manageable steps. Remember, the online world is vast and filled with opportunities. Your website is the starting point of your digital presence. With Ionos, you're equipped with the tools and support needed to thrive online. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Get started on your website today, and who knows where your online journey will take you. Happy hosting!